War is when the government tells you who the bad guys. Revolution is when you decide that part yourself. If everyone is thinking alike, then no one is thinking. Whoever would overthrow the liberty of a nation must begin by subduing the prince of speech. Make yourself sheep and the wolves will eat you. We are all born ignorant, but one must work hard to remain stupid. It is the first responsibility of every citizen to question authority. Security without liberty is called prison. Little minds think and talk about people. Average minds think and talk about things and actions. Great minds think and talk about ideas. Freedom is not a gift bestowed upon us by other men, but a right that belongs to us by the laws of God and nature. There are many roads to success, but only one sure road to failure, and that is to try to please everyone else. Common sense without education is better than education without common sense. Any fool can criticize, condemn, and complain, and most fools do. Believe none of what you hear and half of what you see. I never knew a man who was good at making excuses who was good at anything else. If you do tomorrow what you did today, you will get tomorrow what you got today. Being ignorant is not so much a shame as being unwilling to learn. Change is the only constant in life. One's ability to adapt to those changes will determine your success in life. Instead of cursing the darkness, light a candle. The only thing that is more expensive than education is ignorance. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. The world is run by the people who show off. I'm for doing good to the poor, but I differ in opinion about the means. I think the best way of doing good to the poor is not making them easy in poverty, but leading or driving them out of it. Well done is better than well said. Fear God and your enemies will fear you. Take the money in your wallet and invest it in your mind. And in return, your mind will fill up your wallet. Slow success builds character. Fast success builds ego.